10 Best Universities in South Africa. The new year always comes with a flurry of activities as high school graduates and other scholars look for new schools or wish to join institutions of higher education to advance their studies. In case you are one of these graduates or you are concerned for a graduate, then it is likely that you have wondered about the top universities in South Africa. 1. University of Cape Town. Most of the rankings out there will agree that the University of Cape Town is the top university in South Africa. In fact, it has occupied the top spot for several years now in a row. The CWUR ranks this higher education institution in the 223rd position globally. The ranking for BRICS places it at the 22nd spot. In case you are wondering, BRICS is an acronym that means Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. It has around 29,000 students from all over the world who are drawn to the top quality education. 2. University of the Witwatersrand. Based in Johannesburg, this top higher learning institution, commonly referred to as Wits University, ranks 230 worldwide according to CWUR, and 40 in BRICS. Founded in 1896 as a mining school, it has about 33,700 scholars from within and outside South Africa. If you want history, then go for this one because its pedigree includes none other than Nelson Mandela. To this day, it has held on to those roots by being among the top 50 institutions in the world in teaching mineral and mining engineering. 3. University of KwaZulu-Natal. The University of KwaZulu-Natal is one of the top ones in South Africa 2019 despite its young age. It was actually formed in 2004 by the merger of two institutions, the University of Natal and the University of Durban-Westville. Using rankings from the CWUR, then it is in the 402nd position worldwide and third in the nation. This institution, which is located in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, hosts the Center for AIDS Research in South Africa. 4. University of Pretoria. The University of Pretoria has at least 53,000 students, which makes it one of the biggest institutions in South Africa. It turned 110 in February 2018, and it is the only institution in South Africa to have a faculty of veterinary science. Aside from that, you can choose from at least 1,800 study programs in both English and Afrikaans. Some of its top subjects include theology, law, agriculture, and divinity and religious studies. CWUR places it at 438 globally. 5. Stellenbosch University. Ranked 448th in the world by the CWUR and 5th in South Africa, Stellenbosch University was established in 1918. Located in Stellenbosch in the Western Cape Province, it has around 30,850 students from within and outside the country. Just like Wits University, its international faculty is highly ranked in the nation. Some of its top disciplines include divinity and religious studies, development studies, agriculture, and theology. 6. University of Johannesburg. Interestingly, the University of Joburg ranks as one of South Africa's top institutions despite its recent establishment in 2005. The high ranking can be explained by the fact that it was formed through a merger of three universities, the Rank Afrikaans University, a section of Vista University, and Technikon Witwatersrand. This young higher education institution is among the top 100 in the world for development studies, and it ranks 790 globally as per CWUR rankings. 7. Northwest University. Just like the University of Johannesburg above, Northwest was also formed by a merger. The merger happened in 2004 and involved two universities, the University of Northwest and Potchefstroom University for Christian higher education. Presently, it has 3 campuses and at least 64,000 students, which makes it one of the largest higher learning institutions in South Africa. It has one of the highest scores for innovation, and it ranks 964 worldwide as per CWUR ranking. 8. Rhodes University. Rhodes University is situated in Grahamstown, which is in South Africa's Eastern Cape Province. Established in 1904, this learning institution has a small number of students of around 8,000, with 18% of this number coming from 40 other countries. Of the total population, postgraduates account for 26% while undergraduates make up 20%. Rhodes University ranks highly in two subjects in the world: English language and literature and communication and media studies. 9. University of the Western Cape. Founded in 1959, the University of the Western Cape, UWC, is located in the Belleville suburb in Cape Town. UWC holds a soft spot among the people of South Africa because of the vital role it played in the fight against racism. It helped out academically in building a fair and equal nation that South Africa is today. In terms of its student base, it has one of the most diverse groups in South Africa due to its good relationships with other local and international institutions. 10. University of the Free State. Abbreviated as UFS, this public higher learning institution has been operating since its establishment back in 1904, when it was established as Grey College. Today, it has about 39,440 students distributed across its 3 campuses and 7 faculties. Located in Bloemfontein in Free State Province, it boasts of a number of respectable alumni such as Wade van Niekerk, P.W. Botha, Susan Vosloo, and other personalities.